So in this video, we're going to see how to fit a non-boost wheel onto a boost fork. Making sure the mode is correct. In this one, it doesn't strip any bolts. So you will get an adapter that will align your rotor as well as longer bolts to go with it. You also get two washers that take away the slack. I feel it's a lot easier to kind of align them here than put it on the fork and then try to align. That painter tape will hold the washer in place when I remove the axle. There we have it. There you have it, your non-boost wheel onto your boost fork.